As autumn rolls in, the vibrant transformation of tree leaves captivates us. This stunning display happens because chlorophyll, the green pigment responsible for photosynthesis, starts to break down as daylight wanes. With less chlorophyll, other pigments like carotenoids and anthocyanins emerge, revealing brilliant yellows, oranges, and reds. It's nature's way of preparing for winter, conserving energy while creating a breathtaking tapestry. Each leaf tells a story of change, reminding us that even in letting go, there's beauty to be found.